Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Hum Sab TV's program The Young Guns with your favorite host मीशा उस्मान। सब लड़कियों का यही शौक़ होता है कि वो बहुत यूनिक दिखें, बहुत डिफरेंट दिखें, लेकिन आप यूनिक कैसे लग सकते हैं जब आप उन्हीं ब्रांड्स के कपड़े पहनते हैं जो आपकी फ्रेंड्स भी पहनती हैं। इसीलिए आज हमने एक ऐसी गेस्ट को वेलकम किया है अपने शो पर जो ना सिर्फ डिज़ाइन करती हैं बहुत ही यूनिक प्रिंट्स बट ऑन वेरी डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू अपीयरेंस एज वेल एज अपहोल्स्ट्री या एनी अदर रेगुलर आइटम इन योर होम। आइए बात करते हैं आरास्ते की ओनर आयजा से। Assalamu alaikum Aiza, welcome to our show.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, so first of all, what does Araste mean?
Araste is a Persian word which essentially means to adorn yourself. It's also our motto, our tagline, to adorn yourself.
Wonderful. So who had this idea about the name?
The name, it was a group effort. My father, my mother, we were constantly trying to think of something catchy. And it's funny because a friend of mine, a very close friend of mine, her background is Persian, and I was talking to her about a different Persian word which I wanted for a name, and she suggested Araste, and it was one of those things that gave me goosebumps, and I immediately knew that this was it.
It is such a catchy name.
Thank you.
Yes. So when and how did Araste start?
Araste is a very new concept. Araste started, you could say, in January. It essentially, I think that's when the brainchild started coming into being.
Right.
It's not even been a year. From May, we had production done. Like we were holding scarves and we were very excited about it. So yeah, it's very, very new.
It's very new. So what is Araste basically, what does it do? Does it make scarves? Or do you guys have any other do you guys have apparels or upholstery as well?
Yes, we do actually. So Araste is like the byproduct of a venture that my father started a few years ago, and it's called the Interior Source. Interior Source basically provides customized digital printing for apparel and upholstery. So for example, if you were to walk in like a homeowner and say, okay, I want to get my furnishing changed and I want different upholstery, which I can't find in the market, or I could not be bothered going through the entire rigmarole of searching for it.
You're talking about prints, right?
Digital printing, yes, exactly. So the digital printing concept we provide, whether you want it on upholstery or you want it on apparel, say you're a designer or you're a small-time designer, or even someone who's preparing for a big wedding and wants a certain kind of theme, a print, a special sari. So you could walk in, talk to us, and we would provide you that facility. So from that came Araste as a product line, because Interior Source is a service, and Araste is a finished product that we provide, like a product line.
Great.
Yeah.
So what was the inspiration behind digital printing?
Well, my father, he's a businessman to the core, and he has different ventures that he works on, and digital printing is something that is all the rage now, not just in Pakistan. It's all over the world. Whether it's a textile, any industry is using digital printing, whether you're using it in advertisement on billboards, you're using it in fabric, you're using it in textile.
True,
so
true.
It's something that you cannot, if you want to, it was something that it was a no-brainer that you need to get into digital printing, because screen printing is the thing of the past, Now it's all about quick, efficient, incredibly complex prints being made in a very short time and with less cost involved. So the question where the inspiration came from, it was really just following a business trend. Yeah.
Right. Acha, when you talk about capital, when you talk about the cost, so basically, कितना आपको चाहिए था initial capital?
Wow, that's really hard to say because we're still in our initial stage, and we are
Yes.
working out of a support system where 2-3 other products are basically our income generators, which are completely different from digital printing.
Right.
So I'm talking about like filters, which are filters not just like water filters. These are like filters for the industry, for the oil industry, for
Nice,
ceramic
nice.
industry. We're talking about upholstery fabric, which is not digital printed. It's woven and it's patented, and it's very, very, very rugged for office wear because it just survives for years, which is incredible.
Wonderful.
So these are our breadwinners. And so when you have a steady income flow coming from other projects, you then continue to invest until you feel like this is your limit. So I can't really say how much capital we needed. It started very small, and we're still in such a beginning stage. So I can't really put a number to it.
Okay, no. As an entrepreneur, जब आप start करने लगते हैं, so बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ी थी आपको, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा did you think कि नहीं जी मुझे बाहर से भी capital मतलब मैं लूँ लोगों से borrow करूँ, should I take loans, या did you have like enough money saved कि नहीं इसी से start कर सकती हूँ मैं अपना business?
Well, when it comes like our investor in this is primarily our father. So
Right.
he's the person who's running the other businesses that generate enough income to put into this. Also, I think I should point out here is that we haven't purchased the printing machines for this, which is the highest
Right.
cost, like which is the biggest capital investment you would go through in the operating.
So that tells a lot.
Yeah, exactly. So we outsource the printing to proper like printers who provide for
Right,
many other customers. So us tarah se to obviously it's you have more flexibility. You can stop whenever you want. You can do something different. So us tarah it's like if your question is ke, who was investing behind this, like where did you have saved money? Like I said, we had running project businesses, so those are supporting.
So you were reinvesting.
Yeah, exactly. We're
Nice,
reinvesting. Yeah,
nice.
we're diversifying. Yeah.
Yes. Acha, so Aiza, why scarves and how scarves?
That's such a good question. I honestly, I mean, it feels like every question goes back to my father, and he's probably gonna be laughing when he hears this. So I moved back specially to join the family business, and when I wanted to, like, so I thought, okay, so I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna start figuring out accounts, कैसे चलते हैं, orders कहाँ से आते हैं, filters कौन खरीदता है. So that happened for like 2 minutes, and then suddenly Abba was like, I want to make scarves. And I was like,
Acha.
okay, because I'm
Spontaneous.
very smart. No, he had it in his mind because he was already
Right.
making digital prints men's shirts, really cute Egyptian cotton shirts for casual and office wear. And so he's like, I want to make scarves. And I was like, I don't really see who's going to buy scarves. And he's like, but because I'm so personally inclined towards scarves, I'm the sort of person who would always be in a jeans and a t-shirt and a scarf, because let's face it, in our community, it is like a no-brainer. You need to have,
Of course.
some kind of scrap on
Yes.
you to feel comfortable. So we started doing scarves. So I would say, yeah, Abba was behind this.
Right. So what is the story behind your first scarf that you designed, that you thought about, anything?
Oh my God, I remember when we started thinking on designing, there would be literally like, I became so obsessed with, I have no textile background. I am not a very, well-dressed, properly, like fashion-tuned person.
Right.
So mere liye to it was already so daunting. How am I going to make some fashion accessory when I have absolutely no idea about fashion?
Right.
So we started following fashion trends abroad and here, and I feel like a lot of what's happening abroad in terms of colors gets filtered down because our market बहुत mature होती जा रही है. माना कि we are a completely different species when it comes to local fashion. In terms of couture is so different from couture abroad. But there are certain aspects of colors that do get picked up here, and they look just so fabulous. Like mustard is so in the season. तो जो हमने पहले डिज़ाइन करना शुरू किया while we were studying this, it was literally like you would go to sleep, I would go to sleep, and I would have dreams about prints I had seen online, whether they were paintings from famous artists merged into something else.
Wow.
So it was an ongoing process, and we did design like about, I believe we did at least 10 different designs we started off with. So
Acha,
there were,
great.
एक साथ जब हमने print किए batch में, तो there were 10 different designs we wanted to see कि what kind of response we would get to florals, to geometrics, to watercolors, to birds, to animals. So it was really a very diversified palette.
Nice. So what was the response?
We were very surprised. We saw that despite the common belief that a lot of people have here in Pakistan is that we don't want to wear anything that has animals on it or birds on it, our birds, you're actually wearing one of them, was completely sold out. It was a hot favorite, which I found very, very confusing because I was like, I still get customers who walk in and be like, "नहीं नहीं हमें ये नहीं चाहिए," and 2 minutes later they're buying the same thing.
They are.
They are, and I don't know why. I don't understand science or the logic behind it, but I think it just speaks to them. There are certain animals that convey a certain sort of message, like peace, tranquility, just like happiness. So
Right.
birds convey
Birds
innocence.
are so colorful. You
They're
can
so
go with
colorful.
any color.
Absolutely, and they look different. They're not the typical, फूल बूटा जो आप हर print पे देखते हैं.
Exactly. हर shirt पे कमीजों पे हमारी तो देसी prints होते हैं फूलों वाले.
Absolutely. And another thing, I mean, this is totally a little bit of a segue from what we're talking about, but speaking of prints and messages they convey, I mean, this is a responsibility that every person who is printing or designing should have. Like, what are they conveying to the public? A lot of times I've seen, and this is still the rage, कि एक पिंजरा होता है birds का,
bird cage.
bird cage होता है. Why are we, even if there's no bird in it, it conveys a
denotes
very
something.
conflicting, yeah, it denotes something, a conflicting message hota hai, especially it's related to feminism, it's related to women, it's related to being confined, and it's on our shalwar kameez, and we're wearing it very proudly. So I don't know, I feel like a lot of people don't think about this when they're printing or wearing or choosing prints, but a lot of people subconsciously are absorbing these messages. Our little girls are seeing this. I know this is way off.
But this is so deep. This is so interesting. Yes.
I mean, people are probably thinking, she's crazy. What is she talking about? But I feel like it exists, a
True,
responsibility, what you convey.
Nahi,
Like, for
it's
example,
something,
if I were to print like a very obscene image and say, "Bhai, this is a very famous painting, ये तो फला जगह म्यूजियम में न्यूयॉर्क में लगी है." But कभी कोई खरीदेगा नहीं कि वो कहेगा ये तो न्यूडिटी है, ये तो ये है, ये तो वो है, तो हमारे बारे में बुरा रिफ्लेक्ट
माशरे में
करेगी.
हमारे ये नहीं allow किया जाता.
Yes, it'll show badly that I'm wearing this. So, like, how is it any different when you wear something that denotes imprisonment? Why? Like, even if it's
Right.
for a bird.
Stripes.
Yeah. Jail stripes,
Jail
stripes are still very, very in fashion.
They
Chahe aap
are.
horizontal pehen lein.
Right. Okay. Coming back to our interview. Yes. How many exhibitions has Araste done till now?
We're still very new to the circuit. अभी तक हमने 3 की हैं और तीनों में it's been such a huge learning
So
experience.
that's wonderful. You haven't even, it hasn't been a year, and you guys have done 3 exhibitions.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
Thanks, but we feel we could have done more if we were on top of our game. We are operating with a very small team. I have 2 kids, so we're very distracted in terms of we would have done more. We would have been in Dachi had we actually managed to get in. So
Oh, that Dachi is amazing.
it is really, it's a great platform, but I'm still confused whether that platform is for young entrepreneurs like me or it's for the more deserving ones who are working in rural areas. So I don't know. I would probably not be able to comment on that.
Great. We're going to talk about prints and everything else, but right after a short break. जी we're back from the break. हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे आरास्ते के डिफरेंट प्रिंट्स के बारे में, कैसे ये स्कार्फ डिज़ाइन करती हैं, और अब मज़ीद जानेंगे आयज़ा से इसके बारे में. जी आयज़ा, सो कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट द प्रिंट्स एंड द मटेरियल्स. कौन सा ज़्यादा सबसे प्रेफर्ड फैब्रिक होता है जिस पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छी प्रिंटिंग हो?
देखिए हमारी जो पूरी द कैटलॉग जिस पे हम डिफरेंट फैब्रिक्स जो हम ऑफर करते हैं, सबसे पहले अपैरल के कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ फैब्रिक्स हैं, एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच एवरीथिंग which doesn't have spandex in it, right? So we do not print on anything which is elastic और वो खिंच जाता है.
ठीक.
We do print on a upholstery और उसके fabrics हमारे खुद manufactured होते हैं because you need better control over what you're printing and the material. And उसमें भी बहुत किस्में हैं. Like for example, you could have something that looks like linen, like a rough weave linen. You could get something which kind of feels like jute, tweed, moss crepe, satin finish wala, halka weight, bahari weight. So there's like about 11-12 different kind of fabrics you could choose from. In fact, you would actually struggle to decide कि मैं भाई sofa किस में बनाऊँ, cushion किस में बनाऊँ, because there's just so much variety and texture.
So much variety. So when it comes to scarves, what is the most preferred fabric?
Well, after a lot of research, what we decided was we will use a certain kind of silk which is heavier than tissue silk, is because the biggest challenge with scarf when you're wearing a printed scarf is कि वो पलट जाता है. Like for example, if this turns around, you can see a slight white, grey sort of feel to it.
True,
because when you digital print, you print on one side, right? You can't like flip the kapda and print it again due to, I mean, you can do it, but there's so many technical errors that would happen. It's just not feasible.
सही.
तो उसका ये होता है कि वो कपड़े का एक penetration होनी चाहिए color की through the fabric. The color should go through enough that at least when it flips, it doesn't look like कपड़ा उल्टा पहना हुआ है आपने, right?
ठीक.
So we prefer this kind of silk, and it's lightweight, yet it's not so lightweight. And the other thing why we choose this is because it feels luxurious when you're draping. Because if you're going to take something, a scarf, I mean, like, sure, there are a lot of modal and viscose and cotton net and a lot of materials जो हम रोज़मर्रा में use करते हैं. But if it's going to be something special, then it has to feel and look luxurious. So it's silk.
True that. So silks में तो colors भी ज़्यादा vibrant आते होंगे.
जी बिल्कुल. इस सिल्क में तो आते हैं, but जो सबसे ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट आते हैं, I feel like there's a polyester based silk which is thicker. Shamus है, Shamus के 80 ग्राम पे तो just, I mean, the colors are so
Really?
rich. It's beautiful, but again the problem is the flip side, जब वो पलटता है तो फिर, you know, especially अगर आपने drape किया हुआ है और तो फिर दूसरी side नहीं मज़े की लगती.
So well, it comes with the package, doesn't it?
Yeah, so it depends on literally क्या application. अगर scarves हैं तो we prefer this fabric.
Right. So as far as the customers are concerned, do they when they've bought it from you, so what do they feel? What is their response? What are their reviews?
Well, so far, alhamdulillah, we've gotten good reviews in terms of our quality. There are certain aspects that we are still tweaking on, like if we introduce a new fabric and it's behaving badly after it's been stitched, we are now currently facing a problem with one of our scarves, and we will make sure that वो कपड़ा बदल दें या क्या कर दें. But otherwise, in terms of just silk scarves, we've got a beautiful response. I mean, it was exactly what we had in mind. We didn't want it to be the sort of thing, we weren't targeting, you know, the masses. We were targeting a niche market. We were targeting the person जिसने पहले भी prefer किया scarf या पहना उसको समझ आता. Like, you know, like there's a very basic science to it. You are not focusing on your outfit का print. You're focusing on an accessory. It's like when you walk out, आप हर sunglasses नहीं पहन के, you can't pull it off. It's not just the shape, it's the occasion, it's the get-up, what you're wearing.
It's the colors.
It's the colors.
Combination.
Exactly. So if you were like, for example, what you're wearing, it works perfectly with a scarf because you're wearing
loving it. The feel, the texture.
Thank
everything.
you. I mean, it looks great because like your accessories, your necklace is at point, you know, and your scarf makes your shirt pop and it complements, you know, your entire outfit. So this is something that reflects well when the person who buys it knows what he's going for. So it's a relatively, I feel like it's a new concept here, but I'm glad that we're getting very positive reviews in terms of print and material.
That's wonderful. Acha, so do you think this is what you only provide to the customers, or do you think is it available in the market as well?
Honestly, अभी जो scarves के हवाले से अगर हम देखें तो जी बिल्कुल मौजूद हैं. You have a lot of stalls in a lot of cotton material. You have a lot of China stuff being imported here. My only gripe with that is that, like, to each his own. I mean, I'm sure not everyone feels there's a problem with wearing something that you will most likely be, you know, see another person wearing in a store or whatever. I mean, like, ठीक है, some people don't care for the commonality of it. Some people want to wear something that's very popular. But my only thing is कि जब आप material देखते हैं तो फिर then I have an issue because like if I were to like invest the same amount of money in something which is, you know, available in one of our most popular clothing stores, I want it to feel like it's unique, and I want it to feel like it's got a luxury statement attached to it. Like I want it to be a special accessory, not
considering
something.
the price tags.
जी बिल्कुल exactly. मतलब उन्होंने भी वही चीज़ बनाई है ना, like उन्होंने भी वही digital printing की है, मगर उनके कपड़ा जो है वो बहुत वो है, सिलाई बहुत आम है. मतलब हमने तो I cannot tell you how many months, how many tailors we've been through just to get the edging right. Like आप ये 1 इंच की edging है या 1.25 इंच की edging है और it's folded, and you would think, well, what's the big deal about this? We have literally had people walk out of our showroom saying, हम नहीं आपके scarves बना रहे, because we are so particular about कि no, it should be a perfect square. You know, it should not be कि टेढ़ा ये धागा ये सिलाई खींचे नहीं
टूटे.
और सिल्क तो बहुत नाजुक होता है तो वो छिदता है जब सिलता है, so उसका minimize करना पड़ता है छिदना.
अच्छा, ड्यूरेबिलिटी भी बहुत इफेक्ट होती होगी स्टिचिंग से.
बिल्कुल. लाइक अगर किसी ने पुरानी नीडल यूज़ की है अपनी सिलाई मशीन में, या उसकी सिलाई मशीन प्रॉपर्ली ऑयल नहीं है, या वो उसका हाथ नहीं है, यू नो, ही इज़ नॉट फेमिलियर विद सिल्क्स, तो बहुत जल्दी डैमेज हो जाता है, एंड दैट इज़ अ बिग लॉस टू अस बिकॉज देन दैट पीस कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड अगेन.
Right. So when you started Araste, you had to look for tailors as well. Did you have to train them as well? Really?
I think tailors की कहानी वही cliched है जो पूरी पाकिस्तान में every woman is familiar with who gets custom stitching. Is के, I mean, these people are really like, you know, I don't doubt that they're very hardworking and they're very but generally in our, I feel like everybody, whether it's, you know, top to bottom, everyone has a slight misconception of what work ethic is. And I think it goes throughout. We treat them with the same faults. They treat us with the same faults. I mean, जब पैसे देने का वक्त आता है तो हम अभी महीना end हो रहा है पैसे नहीं है, you know, like इधर उधर से ये नहीं इतना महंगा, when we are making, like, we're skimming them, making huge profits. So like if you treat them that way, then obviously it becomes a subculture. They will treat you that way as well. कि time पे नहीं दे रहे, ये भंड.
They need motivation.
Sorry, shouldn't have said that.
No, it's okay. Continue.
ये गलती होगी, वो error आ गया सिलाई में. So like there are a million. I feel like our culture in itself has a long way to go. Like for example, अगर हमारी commercial area में दुकानें ही 11-12 बजे के बाद खुलती हैं, तो फिर मैं कहती हूँ फिर तो हम किस दुनिया में हैं कि जिसमें हम समझते कि टेलर हमें टाइम पे देगा. अगर उसने एक हफ्ते का कहा है तो वो most likely 2 हफ्ते बाद देगा. So it's unfortunate that we are.
So do you guys have your own team by now? कि tailors अलग हैं और सब कुछ है.
जी, alhamdulillah, we finally come close to having a solid team now. Yeah.
That's wonderful. So do you guys have an outlet?
Yes, we do. Absolutely. We are located in Phase 1 Defense in the commercial area. K Block Market कहलाती है वो. And the one landmark you'll see, you can't miss, is there's a Lesco का office right across the road to this market.
Wonderful.
And that's easy to navigate from there.
आप लोग भी 12 बजे खुलते हैं?
नहीं. We open at 10.
Okay.
But it's unfortunate though. 10 o'clock दरवाजे खुलते हैं. But then that basically means कि सफाइयाँ होंगी और चीजें adjust होंगी और ये वो. But our staff is there from 10
Rightly
onwards.
so, कोई भी नहीं आता.
And nobody shows up.
Yeah.
Everyone shows up after 6 when it's technically.
Are you serious?
Yes, we get a lot of customers after 6, and the problem is कि like I have 2 kids. तो मैं उनको सब कुछ set up करके I get there by 11 to 12 के बीच में. And then I have to obviously be home at a certain point because, you know, उनके नींद का वक्त खाने वक्त जो भी. And they also need time to step out of the house and get some, you know, activities. So by 5 o'clock I have to be home.
Right.
So और वैसे भी office hours 9 to 5 होते हैं technically. But चले, especially in the, you know, यहाँ पे जो unfortunately concept ये है कि shopping चलती है 10-11 बजे तक. So that is something we are. You know, we can't provide for. Like 6-7 o'clock we have to close shop. It just has to be that way. Yeah.
Right. No. People need to understand the fact कि मतलब working hours business entrepreneurs के भी होते हैं.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, like obviously as we will grow, we will also have better working hours. We'll have staff staying longer. It's just, I mean, like I understand people who are working, उनकी 9 to 5 jobs होती हैं. It's not like they can immediately beeline to the shopping center, right? So मतलब इसीलिए भी होता है. But it's just, you know, we're so new to this game right now that we also need time to sort of establish ourselves to provide enough staff that will be open till.
Great. So when you guys aren't open, do you guys have online an online outlet?
Oh, online is working 24/7. Yes,
Achha,
absolutely.
Great. Do you manage it yourself?
Yes, I do.
Acha, great. So what is your favorite social media platform?
I find surprisingly, I find Instagram very, very effective.
Really?
Yes, I feel like locally at least this, and again I am such an amateur at this, but I feel like locally यहाँ पे जो बहुत सारे लोग shopping करते हैं वो अब Instagram के through करते हैं from these kind of businesses.
Okay, I thought Facebook was the popular one.
Acha, maybe I'm wrong because I got a huge response from Instagram. Like I have customers in Dubai, in Canada, who have ordered night suits, who have ordered the custom-made scarves, and I was amazed because, and I kind of understand that because it's very focused. Instagram is a stream of pictures, and if they see a product, they'll see a picture in different like formats.
So how do they place an order? Do they message you personally or do they comment or?
दोनों they comment तो ज़रूर करते हैं, but they always direct message me on Instagram, and we instantly reply. I instantly reply. I like to believe there's a team behind me on Instagram, but no, it's just me. And I tell them, like, अगर वो पूछते हैं कि भाई ये pocket square है, silk में है, तो मुझे ये print चाहिए scarf में, तो हम बना देते हैं. We'd let them know कि भाई ये आपको cost पड़ेगी, ये time duration है, और ये material.
अच्छा, so you customize prints as well?
Absolutely. That's our niche. Like Interior Source, the mother company, that's what we offer. The service is customized digital printing. Say if you were to walk in with a picture and say कि भाई मुझे इसकी ना साड़ी चाहिए, तो हम वो ना सिर्फ design कर देंगे, unless of course it's like a, you know, like it's a trademark image from some other designer, we won't copy it, but we will bring it close to what you have in mind.
Wow, that's amazing. I want to talk about customization,
Achha.
but right after a short break. So guys, we're back from the break और हम बात कर रहे थे customized orders की. So Aiza, please tell us more about it.
So customized orders का principle ऐसे होता है कि अगर आपने कोई specially किसी को कोई gift देना, I'm talking about walk-in customers here. I'm talking about non-designers, homemakers basically. So if you have a best friend's birthday coming up or a family member's wedding coming up and you want to give them something very very personal, then for example आपने 6 cushions बनवा के देने जिसमें आपके like special moments are captured. Like so you have photographs of these incredible memories. So you can bring those to us, and what we can do is we can adjust them and print them on the relevant fabric and make like a fully assembled finished product, यानी those cushions pack करके आपको provide करेंगे. And
so
it's
what
very
if somebody
feasible.
wants कि सिर्फ एक cushion बनवाना हो?
वो भी हम करते हैं. It's not like we don't do it. It's just it depends on so the order size depends on the delivery time. For example, अगर आपने सिर्फ एक cushion बनाना है, then you would have to wait longer for that work to be delivered. Like for example, I would not be able to deliver it within a week because we have like the printing के लिए देते हैं, we get orders from so many different sources. We have to bulk them up.
Right.
You know, ये ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि machine में आपने सिर्फ आधा मीटर डाला और print होके निकल आया और बन गया. So it has to be a collective sort of job बननी पड़ती है. Like ज़्यादा orders बन आए तो फिर हम एक साथ भेजते हैं.
ठीक. So do you get more orders जो customized वाले हैं कि जब हमने ये customize कराना है when somebody comes to the outlet or online?
So our team operates this way. जैसे हमारे जो senior sales manager हैं, what he does is he's working very closely with designers, whether they are in furnishing or they are in apparel. तो उनके orders तो completely different set होता है. Like वो तो रोज़मर्रा में कि जैसे अगर आपका एक designer है वो अपनी line launch कर रहा है तो फिर then एकदम bulk आता है. पहले वो samples बनवाता है and then he approves the colors. That's a long process. It takes a while. It takes a couple of weeks for him to like go through all the samples and then say, okay, ये color सही है, वो सही, whatever. So that's a separate sort of
debate,
category of printing that's going on. But then there are walk-in customers that I'm dealing with, customized यानी मतलब हम designers के लिए भी customize करते हैं, but then what I offer is that what Interior Source offers it essentially कि like for example अगर आपने अपना घर का sofa सिर्फ 3-seater है and you just want to change like the cushions in the sense कि वो जो seating वाले cushions होते हैं
बिल्कुल.
and you want the rest of the frame to be a solid color, you would either end up somewhere in Fortress in some very expensive shop,
Yes.
Paying a lot of money on fabric that you just have to pick from that selection.
अच्छा, sometimes you do not like the color. अगर आपको कलर पसंद आ रहा है अपने सोफे के लिए, आपको वो टेक्सचर नहीं पसंद आ रहा,
You can change
उसमें
it.
ऐसी शाइन होगी, कुछ ऐसे फ्लॉज होंगे. समटाइम्स पीपल वांट के मतलब यूजुअली आजकल पीपल वांट के उनका डिफरेंस बहुत यूनिक लगे. ये ना हो कि जो हमारा सिर्फ उसी ब्रांड का है वो जो हमारी खाला के घर पे भी है.
Right. हाँ बिल्कुल वो भी so that can be changed. Like for example, just to give you a very basic example, आपने जो scarf उड़ा हुआ है तो say you're a customer who walks in and says कि मुझे यही print चाहिए मगर इसकी background please आप shocking pink कर दें या white कर दें. Like so obviously that is something she cannot do in any retail shop. Same with upholstery. She walks in, she's like, oh my god, this floral print on my sofa will look amazing only अगर इसका beige background hota.
So it would match.
It would match, like abhi to dark blue, it doesn't go with my theme. So when she walks into the Interior Source, even though she just needs 10 meters of fabric, she can actually point at a design from our catalog and say कि भाई आप इसकी ना ये color tone change कर दें
या इसमें से वो elephant हटा दें और
elephant
ये
हटा
रख
दें चिड़िया लगा दें like literally there's so much flexibility. Like there are people who have vintage pieces of furniture at home, they have tapestries जो आम नहीं मिलती हैं. Like for example if somebody has a tapestry which is depicting a hunting scene और वो उनके frame हुई हुई है पिछले 20-25 साल से उनके दादी के घर whatever, and they're like suddenly somebody in the family says or has an inspiration that I would love this tapestry on this beautiful vintage looking chair, wing chair. We can actually take that tapestry and we can recreate it and print it on the fabric of their choice from our catalog, and they could like literally have a custom piece at fraction of the cost.
What happens if somebody likes let's say a tapestry, ठीक है, वो hang हुई हुई उन्हीं के घर में, they just give you a picture of it. So do you have like a team of graphic designers जो मतलब उसको properly फिर बनाए, design करें?
Absolutely. Picture का सिर्फ ये होता है कि we prefer a very high resolution image. So
Exactly.
we would, if they're in Lahore, we actually like physically I go and I take a photograph from my equipment ताकि to make sure, because उसमें पूरी एक science होती है उसको recreate करने में, and a lot of times you need to scan the piece of design that you have, like if it's a tapestry शायद उसको scan करना पड़े piece by piece depending on आपको कितना intricate चाहिए वो copy.
Right.
तो it really depends कि अगर if somebody out of city or if it's a furnishing store out of city, तो हम उनसे कहते हैं या तो आप भेज दें वो चीज़ हमें, वो हम recreate करने के लिए, या तो फिर आप बहुत high resolution image दें. You can't just take a mobile picture and be like, oh please इसको exactly ये चीज़ बना दो. No.
Exactly.
अगर आप mobile picture भेजते हैं तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि इसके close to कर दो. You know, like हाँ जैसे ये 3 blue flowers हैं और इस तरह curve हो रहे हैं और इसमें यूं leaves हैं. How will you come close to it? It's not going to be a clone. There's always going to be a slight difference.
Exactly. So that's what your customers need to know about.
Yes.
कि मतलब हर तस्वीर और हर चीज़ भी नहीं हो सकती. There has to be a,
Right.
you know.
Yeah, there's going to be different. Like somebody walked in one day and said, "Gee, I'm obsessed with Van Gogh. I have so many reprints all around my house, and I would like my furniture to reflect that." Like the
अच्छा.
उनकी जो forgetting the name, I think it's like something like the midnight something, जो उनकी एक बहुत famous picture है
Right.
of the night sky and the stars, and it's all like sort of swirling.
Oh yes, yes.
So
I know
she
that
said,
picture.
"I want my ottoman to have that like print on it," and I was like, "We can totally make it." I mean, I was like, "I'm sure Van Gogh is going to be turning in his grave, but at least we can bring a design close to that. We can recreate it." Yes.
That's nice. That's amazing. अच्छा, so कस्टमाइज जब होते हैं तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग भी हो जाता है. ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि कुछ लोग आपके पास आए और कहें कि जी हमारे बच्चों के भी मतलब कपड़े बना दें और समथिंग कि कस्टमाइज कर दें, आप मैच करें?
बिल्कुल, हमारे नाइट सूट्स बहुत पॉपुलर हैं इस तरह. हमने नाइट सूट्स शुरू किए थे फॉर लेडीज़. वी स्टार्टेड विद स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग बिकॉज वी जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट अ फील ऑफ व्हाट वी कुड डू, बट वी वेरी क्विकली रियलाइज के screen printing is very limited, you're very restrained, so digital gives you much more flexibility in terms of what you can print. Like I can actually print watercolor prints on my night suits because of digital, something I cannot really achieve with screen printing of that quality. तो फिर उससे ये हुआ कि फिर जब जो ख़वातीन बनवाती थी फिर वो कहती थी भाई हमारे बच्चे का भी मैच कर दें आप, तो हमारी मियाँ का भी मैच कर दें.
So do you guys give stitched night suits?
जी बिल्कुल, ready made. We even offer loose fabric. Like if somebody comes in and says कि भाई मुझे आप नाइट सूट ना बनाएं, मैंने कुछ और चीज़ बनानी है, आप मुझे बस 15 मीटर कपड़ा छाप दें इस नाइट सूट के इमेज का ना, लिनन पे. हम लिनन पे बनाते हैं. लिनन पे बनाते हैं और जब हमारे समर नाइट सूट्स होते हैं वो एक विस्कोस मटेरियल होता है which is a lighter fabric than linen but it has a beautiful fall and is very breathable. तो उसका ये है कि हम लूज फैब्रिक पे उन्हें प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं, बट वी स्टिच एंड वी आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट फिटिंग्स बिकॉज बच्चों के साइज
They vary.
सो.
अच्छा, so when you guys stitch तो मतलब फिर टेलर्स को उस तरह से ट्रेन करना, और बिकॉज पाकिस्तानी टेलर्स का जो है ज़्यादातर शलवार कमीज़ें उनका हाथ उस पर बैठा होता है. So did you have any hurdles?
We did a lot because एक तो sizes का बहुत, it's a big problem here because it's a Western outfit and here sizes are geared towards local dresses like shalwar kameez, trousers or kurtis. तो उसको adjust करना बहुत मुश्किल था. That went through a lot of trial and error and you have to train them. And जो night suit का जो cut होता है वो, it's a very simple, honestly, any stitcher would know, it's a very simple, it's much more easier than a shalwar kameez. But उसके लिए भी like any other good क्या कहते हैं stitching practice, you need to have a pattern. So we did import a lot of patterns from abroad. We cut on those patterns. हमने sizes उस पे set किए. So now the tailor just basically, if you give him an extra large के लिए requirement, then he will take that pattern and just cut around
अच्छा,
on that.
do you believe कि जो आपके sizes हैं small, medium, large, XL, are they standardized or do they vary?
No, I mean all the smalls are obviously the same. But आप अगर पूछ रही हैं कि जो for example Marks and Spencer से का small पहनता है तो वो हमारा small पहनेगा, no, there is a difference. However, मेरा जो सबसे जो from a lot of feedback what we've learned is कि we stitch, our sizes are smaller than what the label says. For example, जो बंदा medium पहनेगा he should probably order a large. Two reasons for that. Night suits are loose. They're supposed to be loose, so when you sleep, they're comfortable. They don't cling. And secondly, हमने local sizes को merge किया है with UK sizes because that's mostly what we've seen from our research at least कि जो लोग पहनते हैं बाहर के कपड़े वो UK usually sizes refer करते हैं. So when you merge that together, what we've seen is that the better fit is usually a size up. So if somebody says कि I want a extra small, we would say please get a small just to make sure that it is.
Do you guys offer them a dimension chart?
Gee, we have a size chart. We regularly post it. Any order we get on Instagram or even on phone, we send them the size chart कि please इसे refer कर लें, because what happens in night suit is like an intimate like sort of a apparel piece. You don't want to be wearing somebody else's night suit, so we do not want to encourage people to keep coming and changing their, you know, कि oh ये सही नहीं था, ये exchange कर दें, exchange कर दें. No, we discourage that highly because it's a very, you know, you want it to be a exactly. We even custom stitch. A lot of women are taller than the average, तो फिर हम वो हमें बता देती हैं और हम फिर उसके according to वो जो length हमें भेजती हैं हम उसके according to बना देते हैं.
Great, great. So when it comes to your online customers, yeah, outlet customers, what is the most common issue they face, and then you guys have to like change it? या कभी ऐसा हुआ?
No, I wouldn't say there's really a pattern. I mean, alhamdulillah, abhi tak we are not. The only thing we do, we say off the bat is get a size up. आप जो पहनती हैं, get a size up. Don't feel like you've gained weight or anything. It's actually our sizes are a little conservative as compared to what is out in the market.
Right, and since you cater to a specific niche, so कुछ लोगों को issues होते हैं prices के ऊपर कि मतलब इतने expensive क्यों हैं?
I mean, I feel like anybody who appreciates customized digital printing has always said to us कि oh my god, I didn't know it was so affordable.
Really?
Yes.
Achha, good.
Because देखें night suits के लिए भी देखें there are so many people in the business who are doing night suits, and after studying each one of them, we've made night suits.
What is your range
of night suits?
No, the price range for night suits.
3,000 rupees is our digital printed line. Our screen printed line is 2,500. And बच्चों के लिए होता है कि if it's under 4, it's 1,800, and if it's over 4, it's 2,250.
That's nice. It is affordable.
I would like to believe, and because you would buy like maximum 3 night suits for yourself. I mean, वो भी बहुत optimistic. लोग हैं वो एक पे ही गुजारा करते हैं because you change a lot of bottoms, you change a lot of tops. So, I mean, it's not something you would need 6, 7 of. So it has to be a good quality thing that is rugged and will survive, and it has a nice color to it. So I feel like it's not on the expensive side, but then it's all relative, seriously.
It is. Acha ji, speaking about your future goals, what does Araste have in store?
Araste itself has in store to continue to be a fashion statement. I am strongly against being a cliche in terms of whether it's your thought process or it's whether your lifestyle or what you wear, because what you wear reflects who you are. And if you choose to wear something which every third person is wearing, it reflects who you are. And there is nothing wrong with that. It's really a personal choice. Like if you want to wear black all the time, that's your personal choice. Who's there to judge? Nobody's like better than the other person when it comes to fashion sense or anything for that matter. But what we target and what we strive to be is different. We want to be making products that reflect to a person individually. For example, if I have an abstract lilac print, आपको शायद वो बहुत ही अजीब लगे, मगर एक बंदे को वो it'll speak to them. And because we have such limited numbers, we deliberately do not print 1,000 pieces. We print literally कभी एक certain design हम 15 piece बनाएंगे and that's it. We'll never print it again.
That's wonderful.
So then you have a unique object. And because it's such high quality, you know that. So we want to maintain that story. We want to speak to, like when I see women wearing Araste and they've posted on Instagram, and I can actually see, you know, the print reflecting in their personalities, and it's beautiful because you know that the right person picked the right print.
Okay, so you guys aren't planning to export yet?
No, not right now. I mean, we will inshallah in the future, but at the moment we want to focus more on the local market and how to excel in that and cater better to our customers, because like we were talking about कि हमारी एक niche market है, a specific customer we have in mind who we are designing this for. This is not like, I get a lot of comments from people who look at prints and be like, oh, but I can't carry this off. And inside me, I'm like, no, anybody can carry this off if you just, you know, like understand it. Like you can't wear print over print, but yet you can. Like if you take a check, you wear a big check shirt, you can actually wear a small check printed scarf on top. I mean, it's literally about how you conceive fashion. So carry off to मेरे ख्याल से हर बंदे का होता है how confident they are and how much they believe in what they're wearing.
Right.
But yeah.
So local market में how have scarves worked out for Araste? कि मतलब did they accept it? Foreign कि जी हाँ scarf हम शलवार कमीज पे भी पहन सकते हैं, because usually यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में women prefer शलवार कमीज.
बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं आप.
So how was the response?
We had a beautiful response from people who were very flexible. I feel like the more so there's a specific crowd that doesn't prefer wearing a dupatta at all. So obviously unke liye it was a great option to have. So we got a good response from them, surprisingly. We got a great response from students who go in tops and jeans, is tarah ke tunics mein jaate hain. So
Especially the university
they
students.
don't want to drape a dupatta paune 3 gaz ka. They don't want to drape those cliched sort of, unke liye it was we got a great response. But jo shalwar kameez crowd, yes, it was a little conflicting. A lot of people do have a very artistic mind. I remember so many times they've come up to us at Haryali exhibition pe ya Fortress ki exhibition pe ya even walk in who say I have this color ka suit and it's solid color and I want it to pop, so I'm going to get something like this. Tasveerein dikhate hain hame apne suitons ki, so they ask for advice. But so yeah, I mean it's still a very novel concept, and I think it'll penetrate more when people get more aware of what's out there.
True. Acha. So when it comes to scarves, I believe not everyone knows how to wear them, right? So have you ever gotten any I don't know questions from your customers कि नहीं जी अच्छा ये square scarf तो हमने खरीद लिया है but हम पहनी कैसे इसको?
बिल्कुल होता है. बल्कि square बहुत सारे लोग square को दिखाओ उन्हें तो print उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा but वो कहेंगे नहीं ये तो square हम नहीं पहन सकते. And then I do demonstrate to them that it's very simple, and because वो इतना बड़ा होता है, like literally if you were to open up that scarf it would cover your 90% of your body.
Wow.
It's 42 by 42 inches, and उसको drape करने के styles उन्हें दिखा दो, then they realize the simplest, जैसे मैंने ओढ़ा हुआ है अभी, you just like make a triangle, you fold it in a triangle and you just go around your neck and that's it. It's literally, you can wear it any way. जैसे आपने पहना है, that's a very stylish knot to wear.
Yeah,
so there are 10 different ways you can wear a scarf or even a stole. So but yes, we do get a lot of questions कि ओ जी हम कैसे पहनेंगे.
अच्छा ये scarf मतलब silk है तो मतलब ये slip क्यों कर रहा है और कैसे इसको करें? So do you guide them?
Yes, सर पे जो ओढ़ती हैं ख़वातीन, स्पेशली जो प्रॉपर हिजाब लेती हैं, तो उनको सिल्क से बहुत इशू होता है. They're like, it'll slip off my head. And my argument to them is कि I agree with you, it does slip off. And उसका एक क्विक हल ये है कि when you stole जैसे आप जब drape करते हैं या scarf भी करते हैं, you pin it, use hijab pins, which we also provide. But anyway, and the other option is you wear I don't know what you call it, but it's
underskirt.
हाँ एक net का सा होता है, cottonish सा, I don't know what it's called, but that helps you grip it also. And the other thing is you would not wear silk every day. You would wear it at a wedding, you would wear it at an important occasion, you would wear it at a fancy dinner or lunch or brunch or whatever. So if you can wear those impossible chiffon silk outfits with so much काम कि वो आपके बच्चों के बालों में अड़ रहे हैं और टेबल क्लॉथ में अड़ रहे हैं, तो then when you can pull off a silk hijab.
You can for a few hours.
For a few hours, yes, you can. Like fashion is painful. There is no doubt about that.
Yes, it knows not of comfort.
No.
Acha Aiza, any message you would want to give to the younger entrepreneurs or people who are going to start a similar business?
Yes, absolutely. I especially have a message for young mothers who are venturing out with very young children in this business platform. I strongly believe that business is not for everybody, but at the same time I believe that business is for anybody who believes in a dream. So while you are out there struggling, trying to be the best mother you can to young children, whatever mothering style you have, I mean, you're full hands-on or hands-off or whatever, if you have a dream, do not ever give up on it, because it's not going to be easy. And just keep in mind, the harder it gets, the closer you are to your success.
Amazing. We wish you the best of luck, and we wish Araste the best of luck, and we really hope कि आप वो goals अचीव कर सकें जो आप लोगों ने प्लान किए हैं. इसी के साथ वक्त होता है हमारे शो के ख़त्म होने का. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.